this guide, we're going over how you can get the Ice Queen outfit fast here in Sailor Peace in Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the Ice Queen outfit drops from the Ice Queen boss here on Boss Island, but to summon it, you're going to first need some Frost Relics, which of course you could farm from really any NPC in the entire game. I'm just using these ones right now, but obviously the stronger the NPC, the better, and the higher chance that you actually have of getting these. So just keep that in mind, but once you do have some Frost Relics, make your way over to Boss Island, and once you're at Boss Island, go ahead and make your way over to the Boss Summoner, interact with them just like so, and scroll down and spawn in the Ice Queen boss. Now, obviously, you need a Frost Relic, 750,000 money, and 750 gems. But by this point in the game, you probably have that by now. But essentially, just go ahead and spawn him in, take him out over here, and just keep in mind the drop rate is pretty low. So expect to, continue grinding him over and over and over. But to speed things up, you could use a high damage build and kill the boss pretty quickly. You could also server hop to avoid waiting for respawns as well, but the more runs that you do, the better your chances, and that is how you can get the Ice Queen outfit here in Sailor Peace in Roblox. Before you guys do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.